Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to guide you through the straightforward process of creating your own SSH WebSocket account. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Step 1. Let's begin. Open your preferred browser and head over to the green SSH website. Step 2. Once on the home page, look for the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Click on it to reveal a menu, navigate to SSH servers, then select SSH WebSocket from the submenus to initiate the server creation process. Step 3. Now choose a location for your SSH WebSocket server from the list provided. Click on Select Server. Step 4. On the next page, choose a server within your selected location. Click on Create, ensuring the server is online before proceeding. Step 5. We're almost there. On the following page, input a username and password, check the reCAPTCHA box, then hit Create Now to generate your account. Step 6. In just a few seconds, your SSH WebSocket server will be up and running. Copy the server details, including IP or hostname, username, password, and any other relevant information. And there you have it, your SSH WebSocket account is ready to go. If you're unsure about using SSH WebSocket on HTTP Custom, check this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected and stay secure.